You want to know how to edit an active position on 3commas Smart Trade Terminal? Let me show you how. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Smart Trade Terminal and find the position that you want to edit. So you might have a couple open positions here down where your active trades are. And sometimes you'll have a stop loss. Sometimes you'll have take profit targets that you just want to change. Right now, currently, this is a totally unedited position with a buy price and just tracking the profits. So we'll come over here to our three dots on the right to the trade that we want to edit under the actions, and then we'll go to edit. Now it's going to drag the screen up a bit for you and you can see your entry price, how much you put into the position. Then all you have to do is look at setting a take profit if that's what you want to edit, or you may already have an existing take profit goal and you just want to change the price. So you want to make sure that you do your technical analysis on the asset that you're trading. So here we're looking at Pepe, and we could zoom out and see that Pepe is in price discovery mode at this time. So we don't really know where any resistance might be. We can just come and set any line that we want to and make sure that we copy that value. I choose to set the line and then copy the coordinates because it's just a little bit easier than trying to remember 0.00000. Oh, how many zeros was it? Oh, no, and you get it wrong. So grab your value from your trading view chart, or if you want to, and you've done your TA on here, you can grab your value from this chart as well. So we're just going to take and then change that to where that message goes away. Boom, now we can see it's at a 23% take profit target. Maybe we just wanted to pull some of our capital out there, so we can go ahead and say, all right, I want to take 50% of my capital out at that level, or whatever it is you're going to be. Maybe you want to take 10% steps, 30% steps, however you want to organize it. This is just showing you how to go about that. So then we add our take profit target, and it's showing us that we have to add the rest of our balance, right? So let's just go ahead and come back over here and we'll measure out another 40% from the pump. So that should be good. Our final TP can be right here. And we'll go ahead and copy our coordinates and bring them back over here. So also too, I'm using these lines because we're in price discovery mode. But if we had some other price action to look towards, like here, for example, then we would want to use a recent high as our take profit level. But we're not really talking too much about technical analysis here. It's more so about how to actually make the edit. So then if I'm going back to our boy Pepe, we got our value there, copied and pasted, and then I could just input it here. So then I'll just add that TP target and we're good to go. Now this is an important part, the stop loss. So a lot of times people have their stop loss set to a losing position. So their trade may look something like this. They're going in long here, and then their stop loss is maybe below that candle or below the structure, whatever. But when the trade gets into a profitable position, they leave a losing stop loss on. That's not ideal because price could eventually retrace towards a loss. So what you want to do once your trade becomes reasonably profitable is mark with technical analysis. Where is a recent high point? So you could put it just over your entry and we'll call that the adjusted stop loss. So that way, if price comes back towards your entry, you're getting stopped out for a profit no matter what. And the higher you put this, right? So if you put it right here to this high, for example, then if price retraced to that level, you'd retain more profits versus if we had it at the lower one. But the closer it is to the current market price, the less room to wiggle it has. So, maybe the adjusted stop loss gets triggered and then price continues up to your take profit targets. So it's a little bit of a gamble here. It's a love-hate relationship. You never know exactly what's going to occur. But in any case, it's important to move your stop loss over your entry so that way you can prevent yourself from taking any loss. So that would be the best way to use the edit feature, especially if you had a pre-existing stop loss. Take it from a losing position, move it to a winning position. So you'll take that, again, copy our coordinates because it's a lot easier, and then we'll input that to our stop loss. So now we can see here that we will be getting stopped out for a profit. We see right here, 5% gain. So no matter what, we're going to be walking away from this position with some profits, even if it's not achieving our full take profit target. So then we'll just save the changes. And now you can see if we scroll down that the position has been edited. There's our buy price, stop loss in case price retraces, and our take profit goals. So that's it. That's how you edit an active trade on 3 commas. Thanks for watching.